Need to friction stir weld without an exit hole? It's now easy and all possible directly from your CNC machine thanks to the Stirweld FSW head with retractable pin. Composed of a two-part FSW tool, the shoulder and the retractable pin are independent for an easy change and a cost saving. The pin and the shoulder are also synchronized in rotation speed. The retractable pin head for CNC machine has many advantages, as for example in welding of aluminum tanks, a concave or convex weld without an exit hole is necessary. Friction stir welding of different thicknesses also becomes possible. In addition, with the FSW head with retractable pin, the fatigue strength of your workpiece increases. It's designed to be installed quickly and easily in all kinds of CNC without altering the basic functions of your machine. The FSW head is a real cost killer compared to a dedicated friction stir welding machine. Thanks to the human-machine interface, you can fully control the pin movement and speed with very high accuracy. With a retractable pin FSW head, it's now easy to weld without creating an exit hole at the end of the friction stir welding process. The Stirweld FSW retractable pin head for CNC machine is made for you? Contact us!